Hi everyone, it's the Gym Guy, aka Ronald. Today I'm going to show you a video that my brother recorded of me doing barbell shrugs. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
So last set of barbell shrugs. We've already done that. We already completed our 4 out of 5 sets. This is our last set. We're going to go ahead and record the last barbell shrugs on our agenda for today. So we're up 5 pounds from our last week. We only did 100 pounds, but today we went 5 pounds heavier. So let's rock it, baby. How'd that feel?
Wonderful.